Hi, I'm Tina Bennett, and I'm a father's rights attorney. So today we're going to talk about why I am a father's rights attorney, because I don't think I ever explained that before. But one of the reasons I became a family right, oh, whatever, I can't even talk today. I'm already burned out. Why I became a father's rights attorney is because I was with somebody who had issues with the other side and had raised his child. So I kind of fell into it, you could say. But better yet, I want to talk about the difference between men raising their kids and women raising their kids. And guess what? There isn't any. There needs to be equality. Women talk about wanting to be equal, but that's a lie because we don't want to be equal. Why? There was that glass ceiling. We already are at the glass ceiling, but we don't want guys to have equal rights. Why should we? Because there's like a little dollar sign. I did it the reverse way, but whatever. S, some little lines, ka-ching. My kids have a stamp, cash paid for custody. But what if every guy that went into court called himself the mother? Since we're all about being gender neutral, or you can be a thing, you can be an alien, or you could be like a staple. I could tell the judge today, hey, I'm identifying as this Staples One Touch stapler, or I'm just the mother. So what are you going to do, judge? If you have two mothers, one has, you know, something between their legs, the other one doesn't. The other has a mechanism that gives milk while the other doesn't. Does it really matter? Because at the end of the day, you can feed a baby, you can wipe a baby, diaper a baby. When they get older, you can give advice. What else can't the other parent do? Not much of anything. So that's my latest thing that I'm going to try in court. So, all you court watchers, just wait till I say he's identifying today as the mother. So, what are we going to do when we have two moms competing for custody of a child when the mother always says, well, I gave birth to him or her? Well, guess what? Doesn't matter. Now I have dads who are going to be moms. So, look out, mothers. Fathers are now mothers too. So, call my office today, or as I always say, find somebody else who believes in you like I do. So, have a nice day, and dads are now moms.